Okay, we're going to make our first animation here. This is just to help you get started and overcome any concerns you might have. This is not going to be fancy, but I want to make sure that everybody's on the same page on knowing how to do a 2D animation for the class. So let's start Blender. I'm going to select 2D animation. First thing I'm going to do is go up here to Edit, My Preferences, and make sure that on System, jump over here to the renderer. We're going to use the Eevee for doing our rendering. This will allow us to do it much faster. Cycles is great, but it's a much higher quality render. We'll get into that later in the semester. Especially as we're going over the 12 principles, Eevee renders are going to be great. Go to Output, check your resolution, number of frames per second, the end frame. We're only going to do a very short animation for this very first project. So let's set the end frame to 24 frames. So that's 1 second of animation because our frame rate is 24 frames per second. Select your output location. I'm going to have mine output to my desktop so that I can find it. And I've already created a folder called Blender Grease Pencil Class, and I'm going to accept that. And I want this to, well, let's go ahead and create an additional folder in there real quick. So let's create a new folder and we'll call this Output, because that's where I want everything to be output to. So that'll be where I'll find my MP4 when it's ready. Now currently the media type set for rendering is set to image. Change that to video, and that gives you a new area called encoding. Make sure that the container is set to MPEG-4. The Matroska is the MKV video format, which is you've got to have, is great if you're wanting to do more work on Premiere Pro or DaVinci or something like that, but for what we're rendering, MPEG-4 is going to be what you want to go with. And then your video codec should automatically be H.264, which is the default for MPEG. Medium quality is fine. If you're find rendering taking forever, we might drop it down for doing a playblast. Playblast is an industry term referring to the process of just doing a quick render of the project to see if everything's going the way you want. We don't have any audio, so we don't need to encode that. Later on, when we get into audio, you will need to set what type of audio you're wanting it to render as. Okay, so we've got that set. Now let's go over here to data, and this allows us to set our layers and our lines. I have already added a whole bunch of brushes, but I'm going to go over here to default brushes, the grease pencil draw, and I'm going to select an ink pen. Now, as we said, we've got 24 frames here, and we're just going to simply render that. I want to make sure that keying is on, so it'll automatically create a keyframe every time I do it. Make sure your frame is set at the first frame for your rendering. And we want to draw, I'm going to change this to black. I want to draw, size looks good, strength looks fine. We're set to the front. Everything looks good. All right, so I want to draw a simple circle, and I'm going to just simply roll it across the screen over my 24 frames. All right. So let's draw the first circle. I'm drawing with a mouse instead of my trackpad, so it's not going to be pretty, but that's okay. We're just getting started with this. So there's my first frame, and then I'm going to move over here to frame 12. Well, before we jump over to frame 12, let's add something here. On my layers, I need to add a ground layer so that I've got something to kind of reference here. So I'm going to hit the plus to add a layer, and I'm going to call that ground. Here we go. And the ground, I'm going to go over here, grab line, and just, oops, I don't want green. What do you think? Should we leave it as green? It is the ground. So let's just draw that over there. So now I can hit enter to set it. And now we have a ground layer. Now I'm going to lock that layer so it does not change and I don't accidentally edit it. I'm going back here to my lines layer and jump over here to frame 12 and then go over here about midway, because by frame 12 it should be, the circle should be midway through the drawing. And I did that wrong. I'm still on line. So Control Z, go back here to my brush. There we go. And now draw my second. Now you can see the first circle faded out. That's called onion skinning. Onion skinning is up here with your draw pencil controls. Turn that on. That shows where it was in the last keyframe in the system. So there it is at frame 1. Here it is at frame 12. Then I'm going to scroll this over to frame 24, which is my last frame. And again, draw my circle. Oh, that's a horrible circle. Drawing with a mouse, bad idea. Here we go. That's not horrible. And you can see it shows my last keyframe as well. So now we've got a basic system here. And if I hit play, which is your space bar, over 1 second it moves across. Now let's do a little bit more because, you know, we can make this better. So let's go back here a couple of frames and I'm looking at my lines layer, which is where the circle is drawn, and I'm going to make sure that it's selected. I'm still in my draw mode and I'm going to go to draw, interpolate sequence. Now this is also known as tweening. You can see Blender automatically fills in the spots, so it's not just simply jumping. Okay, so I want you to interpolate on the lines layer for between frame 1 and frame 12 to show the additional movement that's going to happen inside of our sequence. Okay, can you do that? When you're ready, go to render, render animation, and it will quickly go through and do the whole render for you. Isn't that cool? That creates our import and then that creates our, in our folder that you saved for your output, an MP4, and that'll run your image. Isn't that cool? You've made your first animation. Very good. Now, this is just to prove that you've got everything set up inside Blender. Upload your MPEG 4 to the course assignment, and you will have completed this week's assignment. Make sure you read all the material. Good job.